Do you want to get rid of those really annoying black stains in your teeth and hoping to smile a bit more confidently? Hi guys, my name is Riel, and today I'll be reviewing this Snow Magic Powder, which is like a teeth whitening booster that you've probably been seeing kicking around Facebook or Instagram. So if you're new to my channel, I usually like to review beauty and fashion products as well as talk about modeling once in a while, which is what I do on the side. So if you are interested in stuff like that, you came to the right place. This Snow Whitening Powder, which is packaged so beautifully, look at that, oh my gosh, holographic rainbow color. It's claimed to get rid of stains on your teeth. It also boosts your teeth whitening look. So I want to try it out because I usually have problems with stains a lot, and then I have to wait like 6 to 9 months just to get to my hygiene treatment. For somebody like me, I work in front of the camera a lot as a model and actor, so I need to make sure that my teeth are in like top shape. I'm hoping this will solve my problem for me. So let's give it a try. So Snow has a main product here, which is like the teeth whitening kit that they promote a lot. This is their main selling product. So this magic powder on the side is actually just a little thing to add on the side. They have different functions though, but if you're really trying to focus on teeth whitening, this is the main product that you're going to be looking at. I will be reviewing this in the future, so stay tuned. But in any case, it does come with this teeth whitening chart that you could test to see how white your teeth are. So I'm going to actually be using this today so I could actually see how white the powder goes. How this powder works is that it's just powder, and then all you have to do is put it on your normal toothpaste, which the current one I'm using right now is Sensodyne, if I pronounced it right. Sensodyne, sorry. And normally before, I've been using this Japanese whitening gel thing that I put on my paste right now. It hasn't been entirely satisfying for me. I bought it from like the pharmacy and stuff, so I'm actually hoping to get rid of this soon and find something that actually works a little better. Your toothpaste on, and you can put the powder on and you start brushing. Or if you subscribe to their membership, you can actually get like whitening toothpaste that they have. Based on my chart, my teeth I would say is like a 3, 4-ish. You want to get it to 1 hopefully, so maybe with time that this will start making my teeth closer to 1. You get water and you use your toothbrush, and I'm using this Philips Sonicare toothbrush. It works pretty well. Snow does sell their own electric toothbrushes, and they're actually really pretty though, but I didn't get it because I already have my own toothbrush that does the trick, so I don't really see the need. But if I didn't have this one, yeah, I might consider theirs because theirs is so pretty. Electric toothbrush, and then you dip it in water like I usually do, and then you put toothpaste on. Stay good. I'm not a fan of using too much toothpaste usually, so this is what it looks like on the inside. I am trying to see how this works. Oh my gosh, it looks like a salt and pepper shaker thing, but okay, well, sorry, give me some time to figure out how to really open this. Oh, okay, I figured it out. You just have to press that circle thing inside, and then it will just fall in. It's not hard to press at all, actually. So if you're using this, I figured it out for you. And then we just put the powder on there. I think that's enough. And so before I begin, I just wanted to show you that I actually do have stains on my teeth right now. I have some over here, which is always my usual spot for stains, and some over here as well. Yeah, I know it's a little embarrassing to show people your stains and stuff, but I just want you guys to know it's there to see if this works, and hopefully after I brush it, it actually goes away. All you do is brush. Don't worry, I actually have something catching all this stuff below me. It tastes like the dentist.
1 hour later.
Okay, now let's see how the results are. So because I can't really see myself in the camera as much, I'm gonna use my phone. Oh my god! Dang, my stains are like mostly gone. Holy cow! Like seriously guys, can you see? not like 100% gone, but it took out like 90% of it. Holy cow, I am impressed. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm actually really feeling a little emotional about this because I've always had stain issues in my whole life. Like I don't drink coffee and tea. I don't know why I keep getting stained so easily. So like I'm already happy that in one shot this could take out like 90% of the stains and stuff. So I think if I brushed for like one more time or two, it would probably all be gone. So, oh my gosh. But I don't think this is like a dental hygiene appointment replacer. I mean, still get your hygiene done, but still, this is like gonna save my life for my shoots and all that before my appointment time comes up. So for whiteness, let me see. Oh, yeah, I think my teeth got a lot whiter, don't you think so? So I think it's actually closer to a 2 right now, even just like in one shot. Yeah. This is so much whiter. Dang, wow. And that's not even like using this kit yet. So, I don't know, would it bring me to like a 1 if I use this kit completely and stuff? So yeah, anyways, I'll test it out and let you know. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. But seriously, I am so happy with the outcome. Oh my god, this is like a magic saver and stuff. So that was the result from both the whitening toothpaste and the magic powder combined together on an electric toothbrush though. Eee! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! This is gonna be my lifesaver! Well, if you do subscribe to their membership and stuff, remember they do give you the toothpaste, which is a really pretty package, it's holographic as well too, and a charcoal floss, which I haven't tried yet, but I'm assuming it's just oh, it's a whitening and a cleaning floss together. So I never had floss that whitens as well too. Toothpaste and the magic powder are lavender mint flavor, which is what I tasted. It actually tasted better than like dental stuff though, so it's probably of the lavender stuff. So yeah, this thing does work. It's like I said, it's like a magic powder. It does make your stains disappear like magic powder. Oh, holy cow. Yeah, so if you want to try it out, I do have the link below. Oh, and I forgot to mention, they do have a promotion right now. I will give you the code right below here. It's bundle up. Whatever purchases you make, you will get a discount on it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. If there's any products that you want me to review, or you have questions about it, or just anything. Share your struggles about stains like me if you want to. And so feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell. I do post new videos every single weekend, and so I hope to see you a bit more often. And again, feel free to hit like and the comment button. All right, bye guys.